Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix there's an issue with your phone's ability to use Face ID on any iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're having this type issue that you cannot use Face ID, there's an issue with your phone's ability. So let's see how can you easily fix that issue. So now to do that, you just have to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. So once you have a stable internet connection, you have to open up your settings and here go for general, go for software update, and you have to make sure that you are on the latest version of iOS. So because sometimes it might be that there's any a pending update of your software, so it might be makes this type errors. So you must have to make sure that you're on the latest iOS. Once you have that, you have to try again, or if you're still having the same issue, so now what you have to do, you have to go ahead to your general settings again and then go for transfer or reset iPhone. From here, simply tap on that option, then tap on reset, then select reset all settings, and here you just have to enter your passcode. And once you have entered your passcode, your all phone setting will be reset. So if your Face ID has been blocked due to some wrong settings, so it will be fixed after this step. So in this way, you can easily fix there's an issue with your phone's ability to use Face ID. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.